Hey everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful bucket hat. I use 4 millimeters hook and yarn. This is acrylic yarn. Make a magic circle. Insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn. Make chains. 1, 2 chains. Yarn over, stitch first round in this ring. Pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. With these chains we have 10 stitches in first round. Go to top of first chains, yarn over, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to first in here, stitch, 1 double crochet. We have 2 stitch in first stitch. Go to next stitch, 1, 2. Go to next stitch, 1, 2. In next stitch, 1, 2. In next stitch, 1, 2. Make 2 double crochet in each stitch for second round. Go to last stitch, 1, 2 double crochet. In this round we have 20 double crochet stitches in total. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch. Make 2 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch, 1 double crochet. Now we have 2 stitches in first stitch. Go to next stitch, 1 double crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, go to next stitch, 1, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, and continue like this. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, and complete this round. I made this stitch in third round. We have 30 stitches in total. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch in here. Pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch. 1, 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, 1 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, 1 2 double crochet, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, 1 2, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, 1 2, skip this stitch, 1 2. We make V stitches in this round. Skip 1 stitch, make 1 V stitch, skip this stitch, make 1 V stitch, and continue for this round. I made this stitch in 4th round. We have 30 stitches, 50 V stitches, and in total we have 30 double crochet stitches in this round, and continue like this. I show, insert your hook in top of first chains. In here I show in this space, pull up yarn, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together like this. I show, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to this space, pull up yarn, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. In total we have 3 stitches. Skip this V stitch, go to next space in here, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip V stitch, go to this space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip V stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and continue, 3 double crochet, continue like this, 3 double crochet in each stitch. I made this stitch 3 double crochet in this stitch between the stitches. Go to last stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. In here insert your hook into top of first chains, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 2 chains, go to this space, 1 2, go to skip this 3 stitches, go to this space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 3 stitches, go to this space, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Skip this stitch and continue like this. 1, 2, 3. Make more rows. I made these rows. I show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows in here. In this round, go to top of first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to first space, make 1, 2 double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to second space, make 1, 2, 3 double crochet, make a chain, 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Go to next space, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, go to next space, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to same stitch, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1, 2, 3, add 1 chain, go to same stitch, 1, 2, 3, and continue like this. 1 of these groups, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 in this space. I made this stitch. Go to top of first chains, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, 1, 2 chains, go to this space, make 1, 2, go to next space, 1, 2, 3, go to this space, 1, 2, 3, go to this stitch, 1, 2, 3, and continue. Make 3 double crochet in all stitches in here, between of these 3 stitches, in this stitch in here, and continue. I made this row 3 double crochet in each stitch. Continue 2 chains, 1, 2 double crochet, skip this stitch, go to this space, same as before row, 3 double crochet, skip this stitch, go to this space and repeat like this, 3 double crochet in every stitch. This row you can add 1 more rows in here. A slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns like this, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns with this yarn, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull up yarn, and continue like this for last round. I made last row, make last stitch, yarn over, go to last stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, go to first chain, slip stitch,